All right, so behind me is loaded steel for the water tower. Delivery truck drivers following us in here. And we're gonna unload the steel. One more step to getting this water tower project started. So it's heavy, it's about 2,100 pounds. Tractor's good for about 23, but we got some extra weight on the back. So probably 25, 26 is what this tractor will lift. But I can definitely tell steering is heavy and the back end is a little light. I'm gonna set this down under some dunnage and then I'll reposition it here after a while. So what I did there was just position that on top of that my driveway drag there, and I'm gonna go back and get the expanded metal, and then we can kind of figure out how we're gonna position this stuff in the barn until we're ready to start cutting and punching holes. It's a real busy time here, lots of construction going on. Lots of stuff happening. It's basically can't see dark to can't see dark every day for a while. A lot of infrastructure going in. Pretty excited about it. Save that. You're driving on it. Oh, you're trying to stop it? Yeah. Yeah, I might be able to do that. All right. Good call. Kind of wiggly. All right, well, there you go. That's the beginnings of one water tower. Sorry I couldn't film getting in here, but it was a little bit of tricky maneuvering trying to hold a GoPro. So 3 sheets of 5x10 expanded metal. There's a lot, I don't remember how much. I did a takeoff off the drawings of 3-inch, 2.5, and 2-inch angle iron. 3/16. We'll start cutting and punching soon enough. Well, here it is. My very first shop where I started my business out of. The sad day, I'll be shutting the door for the last time here, turning it over to its new owners. My wife and I came to the decision that we were going to sell this property. Not a whole lot here, not a lot of room. It goes to prove the point that you can do a lot of things in a small space. So you guys that are backyard shed and garage home gamers, basically this building was about the same size. It's, I don't know, car and a half, so 25 by 18, something like that. It's not a very big shop, but it was my very first shop. Like the one I have now, it didn't have power in it. I put all the power in. It's got a 200 amp service here just for this little building. Ran a lot of welding machines in here. No lighting, no workbenches. All these are cabinets out of kitchen remodels that I did over the years. Not ideal, but you know what? When it's free and it's in good shape, it's for you. It's my workbench. Now, if you notice in my shop now, you see that angled stainless steel countertop that I have. Well, that's in my new shop. They used to sit on top of this, and I took that with me. That wasn't part of the sale. And if you look, that workbench is on rollers. It comes out here into the middle of the floor. And that was my work area that I could take outside for welding or assembly, while I still maintain this workbench too, so I could work from 2 spots at one time. So real quick, layout I used to have before 10 years ago I bought the new shop. The big red toolbox, I had it when I was here. It used to sit right there. Drill press right there. Storage of welding machines there. I didn't have the mill and the lathe back then. Bandsaw sat right there. The horizontal bandsaw sat right there. I didn't have the Ellis then. I actually bought the Ellis while I was still here, but it just sat out here in the middle of the floor because I was in the process of moving. And then more welding machines, tooling. All my red bins used to sit along this wall. Parts washer still had that. That was right there. That's what the outlet there was for. And I don't remember why I had that outlet there. I had something else that needed power there. It's a sad day for me. I guess happy at the same time. It's passing it on to somebody else that'll enjoy it. A lot of things learned, good memories. This is the original Do-Right Fabrication man camp shop. All my buddies used to hang out here and work on cars and trucks and whatever projects on the weekends. Back when I was a single guy, there would be cars and trucks all out there in the grass and all out there in the yard. It wouldn't be uncommon to have 3 or 4 or 5 vehicles jacked up on a weekend, all of us doing different projects. I'm a little sad. I'm happy. Got a not much nicer shop. This shop obviously I can't even imagine being back in this shop right now. It's so small, but I feel like my shop I have now is small. I feel like I need bigger. So, be happy with what you have. I was able to accomplish a lot of things in this shop